If you're a fan of high-performance racing and exotic supercars, then you've probably heard of Ryder Engineering. But did you know that this German motorsport company has been the driving force behind some of the most legendary Lamborghini race cars? Let's dive into their story. Founded in 2000 by Hans Ryder, this engineering powerhouse specializes in developing Lamborghini race cars for GT championships. Their mission? To take Lamborghini's raw power and transform it into a race-winning machine. One of their first big successes came with the Lamborghini Murcielago RGT. This beast competed in top-tier racing series like the FIA GT Championship, the American Le Mans Series, and even the 24 Hours of Le Mans. It proved that Lamborghini wasn't just about flashy road cars. It could dominate on the track too. But Ryder's most famous work? The Lamborghini Gallardo GT 3 Series. Over the years, they fine-tuned this model to compete in the FIA GT 3 European Championship and Blancpain GT Series, making it one of the most successful customer race cars of its time. What makes Ryder Engineering stand out is their attention to detail. Every component, from aerodynamics to suspension, is optimized for maximum performance. They don't just build race cars, they create precision machines engineered for victory. And they didn't stop with Lamborghini. In recent years, Ryder Engineering has expanded its expertise to work on the KTM X-Bow GT4 and GT2, continuing their legacy of building world-class race cars. From the Murcielago to the Gallardo, and now cutting-edge GT machines, Ryder Engineering has cemented itself as one of the best in motorsport engineering. Whether you're a racer or a fan, their impact on GT racing is undeniable. Like this video? Hit that subscribe button for more motorsport content and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite Ryder-built race car?